whatchamacallin', what you doing tonight? Hope you're in the mood because I'm feeling just right. How's about a corner with a table for two, where the music's mellow and some gay rendezvous? There's no chance romancing with the blue attitude. You've got to do some dancing to get in the mood. Sister, whatchamacallin', that's a timely idea. Something swingadilla would be good to my ear. Everybody must agree that dancing has charms when you have the certain one you love in your arms. Stepping out with you will be a sweet interlude, a builder-upper that will put me in the mood. In the mood, that's it, I got it. In the mood, your ear will spot it. In the mood, oh what a hot hit. Be alive and get the jive, you've got to learn how. Hep, 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 hep like a heifer. Pep, 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 hot as a pepper. Step, 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 step like a stepper. We're mugging and hugging, we're in the mood now. Mr. Whatchamacallin', all you needed was fun. You can see the wonders that this evening has done.